Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to show you a property I'm about to sell. Yes, Appa is the house owner of this house. Let me show you. Right in front of us. This is a house Appa bought during the Asian financial crisis, 1997-1998. Double-story terrace house, 22 by 70. You can see how wide is the carport. And initially, the carport is only meant for single car, one car only. But Appa actually do out the carport, so now it can easily fit 2 cars. Yeah. So you can see this is the house is very squarish actually, rather squarish. So it doesn't have many odd corners. You can see from here, this will be the living hall, and then this will be the dining place. It's very, very big and it has very high ceiling here. So let's go to the end. So we have a very wide kitchen area. This is where Appa used to cook many, many years ago. Right, and next to it, there is a bedroom, all fully tiled, right? Then of course we have the toilet and a few feet at the back. So those years, they were still using parquet for the flooring. And the builder, yeah, the main con for this particular house is actually by one of the biggest industrial builders those days. So this is the master bedroom. Right next to the master bedroom, there's some space here where you can do a bookshelf and then a little living hall, followed by 2 bedrooms at the back. You definitely need to change the flooring after you buy this house. So these 2 rooms, they will be sharing the same bathroom here. Right? There is a shared bathroom. So as you come out from the house, you will notice this house is actually facing a playground. And this playground, to my surprise, is very, very well maintained. Huh? Very nice. Just across the road, then you can find this beautiful playground. It's actually nicer than the time when Appa was still staying here. So this place is called Taman Dato' Chelam. It is approximately 30 km away from the Singapore Causeway, yeah, Johor Singapore Causeway, about 30 km away. So from this house, you turn right and go towards the end, which is the main road. That is the Jalan Kota Tinggi, and maybe about 100 meters away from this point, you can go into the Senai Desaru Highway and go to North-South Highway directly. It is very, very convenient. What kind of property can you get by spending 500,000-600,000 in Malaysia right now? And like in Johor Bahru. Condominium, a very small space, maybe 1,000 square feet. This house is double-story terrace house, freehold, 2270. The build out is about coming to 2,000, I think 1,900 plus. We are only selling it for less than 600,000, negotiable. So if you're interested for this house, do contact my property agent. I will put her contact number at the end of this video.